discuss about the syllabus of AAE, AEE 101B, AEE 201B of Fundamental of Electrical Engineering from BTech first year semester 1 and semester 2. Now there are 3 credit subjects and 45 hour duration to complete this course. Course objective is understanding basic electrical quantity and apply Ohm's law and Kirchhoff law to DC circuit. Now the Ohm's law is basically V is equal to IR, Kirchhoff law and DC circuit. DC which means direct current. Now the second point is analyze single phase AC circuit and understand power factor in the context of industrial load. Understand three phase power system using industrial motor, drive and process plants. The fourth is learn how transformer and electrical machines work and how they are selected for industrial use. Now the last one is apply electrical safety knowledge and understand relevant industrial application. Now we proceed from the course content. Now the unit 1 is basic electrical quantity and DC circuit. In this unit we have learned the basic concept of electric charge, current, voltage, resistance, power and energy. Ohm's law जिसको हम बोलते हैं V is equal to IR, V is equal to voltage, I is equal to current, I is equal to resistance. Series and parallel combination of resistor, Kirchhoff voltage law जिसे बोलते हैं KVL and Kirchhoff current law जिसको बोलते हैं KCL. Thevenin theorem, simple concept and problem, simple mesh and nodal analysis also. Now proceed from second unit. In second unit they have single phase AC circuit and power. Now in this we have learned AC voltage and current, peak, RMS, average value, phasor representation, R, L and C circuit and their series and parallel combination, admittance and impedance, एक्टिव पावर जिसको P बोलते हैं, रिएक्टिव पावर जिसको Q बोलते हैं, apparent पावर जिसको S बोलते हैं, पावर फैक्टर एंड इट्स सिग्निफिकेंस, पावर फैक्टर करेक्शन यूजिंग shunt capacitor, single phase power measurement using wattmeter. This is all about of unit 2. Now proceed from unit 3. In unit 3 they have three phase system. In three phase system have three phase power supply and load, balance star and delta connection, phase and line voltage and current, three phase power, 2 wattmeter method. Now fourth unit is transformer and electrical machine. Transformer, there are two type of transformer, step and step down. Now in this unit we have learned working principle of single phase transformer, EMF equation, voltage and current ratio, loss and efficiency, concept and step up and step down transformer, equivalent circuit and phasor diagram, no load condition. In DC motor their type, working principle, back EMF, torque, three phase induction motor, rotating magnetic field, slip, torque, speed curve, starting DOL and start delta. This is all about of unit 4. Now proceed from unit 5. In unit 5 have electrical safety and emergency application जैसे electric hazards, shock and fire, earthing and grounding, working principle of fuse and circuit breaker, electrical safety in laboratory application जैसे working of fluorescent lamp, motor used in water pump, lathe machine, key component of energy wheel. Now the course outcome of this book, this syllabus. NCO1 course outcome of unit 1, apply Ohm's law and Kirchhoff law and to solve DC circuit problem and industrial instrumentation. In second, analyze single phase AC circuit and explain power factor significant for industrial load. And third, analyze three phase circuit and measure three phase power in industrial motor system. Now the fourth is explain fundamental concept of transformer and machine. This is all about of